back to my channel. I'm Nation Nicole if you're new, and if you're not new, hey boo. So in today's video, I'm going to be taking you on a luxury empty apartment tour with me, and I'm moving pretty soon, so me and Martinez are looking and on an apartment hunt right now, and so I'm taking you guys along with me just because I'm gonna give y'all my raw and real honest opinions on what I think about these apartments. Today we are looking at this really nice apartment that's supposed to be really nice. I don't know, but I'm taking y'all with me. Also, you guys, I'm not sure if I'm able to bring a camera while I'm touring the apartment. I don't know if the lady's gonna like let us go in just by ourselves, me and Martinez, or if she's gonna be with us the whole time. But if she does, it's just in case, I'm just gonna record on my phone if that's the case. So yeah, if the quality is a little off, that's why, y'all. It is what it is. So first we went to look at the gym area, and this gym is so big, you guys, like way bigger than what we are used to and what we have now. This bench press is like what I was super excited about though, because I do like to squat, and that is my favorite thing to do in the gym. Over here, you guys, it's like a boxing thing, so I was like, okay, period, cool. And you know, this is the rest of the equipment. They literally have the things in the gym that you pay a monthly fee for here, so that's pretty cool. Water area, multiple TVs, and now this is like the game area. I've never heard of a game area. They have plenty of toys, or not toys, but plenty of games, and I thought that was pretty cool as well. We don't have that right now at our apartment that we are in now, so this is an awesome amenity that they offer, so I like that a lot. This is also like a lounge area. There were people in here, so I didn't really show too much. Now the pool, you guys, OMG. The pool reminds me of like those like summer nights where you pay, you know, to go somewhere fancy. They had cabanas, or however you say that. But they have like a cabana area where you could chill. I picture me throwing parties at this pool area. The only thing about this is they only have one pool, one jacuzzi for the whole apartment complex. Me and Boo really didn't like that. Like, I need at least 2 pools, 2 jacuzzis, and, you know, room so I could be comfortable. You know, you're in the bathing suit, so you want to be comfortable, and you don't want to be around too many people if you don't want to be. And that's definitely me. But this is nice, you guys. This whole cabana area, like, fancy. Top tier. We did like that part. They just need another one. So now to the actual apartment, you guys. So this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath townhome. This is the bottom lower half of it. This is the living room area. OMG. First of all, the way they decorated it was nice, but I love that you have a separate living room. Then I'm going to take you guys over here. It's like a closet, coat closet. They had 2 of these down here. It's your average coat closet, not too fancy. We really don't need anything too fancy for a coat closet. But now I'm going to show you guys the half bathroom that would be for our guests if we would have gotten this. Look at me right there. Hey, boo. It has your average toilet, the sink, the mirror, and that's all you really need, you guys, for a half bathroom for your guests, a towel, whatever. So now I'm gonna take you guys upstairs. Again, this apartment, they very much decorated it very nice. Once you walk in, you see the washer and dryer and like a little shelf you could put your towels on and the laundry detergent or whatever. And this is the second bedroom. The second bedroom wasn't too big, but honestly, we don't need it too big of a second bedroom. But they have, you know, your average closet, not too big, but reasonable size just for us for the second bedroom. And this is another look at how big the room is. They actually had the bathroom inside of the second bedroom, which is fine. I love this sink, you guys. And there I go doing the peace sign or whatever. But I did love this bathroom, especially for it to be a second bathroom. And so, you know, it's a tub and a shower, your average shower. And it looks cute and fine to me. I love a white towel shower. And then so we're going to head out, and I'm going to show you guys the master bedroom. I'm actually going to show you guys this hallway closet first. So This is a hallway closet. You keep your towels in, extra like sheets or blankets or whatever. Good size, you guys. And so now we're off to the master bedroom, you guys. This room isn't so big, but it's a little bigger than the last room that I just showed you. So this is how the master bedroom is. And it's, like I said, average, but I really did fall in love with the bathroom. And so I'm going to show you guys that in just a minute. But to give you an idea of how big this room is, this is how big it is. Not too bad. So off to the bathroom, you guys. So look at this sink. I don't know. I'm really sold on this sink, you guys. What up, boo? Period. And the bath, I like taking baths, you guys. So I'm pretty glad that every bathroom upstairs had a bath area. I do like the white towel, and you know, the shower was cute to me. Now, first of all, this closet over here was super nice, super big, and I feel like it would fit me and Boo's things and also some of baby's things, you know, if we need that extra room. So I actually saved the best for last, you guys, the kitchen and dining room area. This is our dining room area. I love the lights hanging from the kitchen or from the dining room. And this is the freaking kitchen, y'all. OMG, I love this, okay? I've always wanted an island, and look at this island in the middle. I love the white countertops, you guys. Like, this is my ideal kitchen, to have an island and like the white countertop, but like smaller version. It is an apartment home. So this is what it looks like up close. They do have a gas stove. Right now we have an electric stove, but I'm not really pressed about that. I could do a gas stove if I get that island. Their decorations, again, was giving me life, you guys. Now over here to the sink. I love the sink area too. In luxury apartment homes, they always have fancy like sink areas. This one pulls from the actual sink hosting, and I thought that was pretty cool because we don't have one that does that now. And this is me fixing it, okay, period. So yeah, I like that. So now, you guys, I'm going to show you guys the second apartment that we looked at. This apartment is a 2-bedroom, 1 bath. I really didn't like that, but I'm going to show you guys. So the difference with this kitchen is that it has a gray countertop, but this one also has a gas stove as well. Again, we are using electric at the apartment that I'm in right now, but it has similar appliances as the other townhouse that we looked at, the other apartment. It's just smaller, you guys. So this is what the living room looks like from, you know, the time you walk into the apartment. Not too big, not too small, but I would love a bigger like living room or another space to be in, you know. So I'm walking back, I'm showing you guys this little hallway or whatever, and we're gonna head into the second bedroom. But first, on your left, you're gonna see the washer and dryer unit. And I love that every unit that we went to in these apartments, they had a washer and dryer, because you cannot live like that no more. You know, you gotta have a washer and dryer. So anyways, this is what the second bedroom looks like. Not too big, not too small. I think I could make this work if I were to love this apartment. I don't love it, but hey, whatever. The closet was a little weird to me, you guys. I'm going to show you why. So you step in, they have a little corner in the closet. It's like literally a little corner, and I didn't like that. And so, yeah, that's what that looks like. And while we're on topic, I did not like the carpet in this apartment either. The vinyl wooding, I mean, I could bypass with that, but the carpet, I didn't really like, you guys, honestly. So this is a bathroom that you will be sharing with whoever you're living with, and also with your guests. So I do have a problem with that. I feel like there should definitely be 2 bathrooms at least, you know, in a 2-bedroom. Hey, boo. And so this is the setup of the bathroom. So they have the sink right when you walk in, and you turn the corner and there is the toilet and also the bathtub / shower. I definitely feel like they should have put a door blocking the toilet at least, because what if your boo has to do a number 2, poop, and you gotta brush your teeth? That is disgusting. But on to the master bedroom, you guys. There's really honestly nothing to really show you. The master bedroom was probably the same size as the second bedroom. There is no closet. Look at that closet. Oh, I can't. But yeah. What's up, y'all? So we're back home, and after we spoke to the leasing office lady, you know, after touring everything, we just got some details from her and, like, you know, her contact information. Honestly, you guys, I fell in love with the 2-bedroom 2-bath townhouse. It reminds me of an actual like house. And you know, we were like maybe searching for a house or like a condo, but something bigger definitely. But yeah, the first apartment we looked at, I like fell in love with. The second apartment I wasn't too fond of, or found. I didn't really like it. I don't know if we would ever get that, but the townhouse definitely. If like we could make that work, maybe. But we're gonna definitely be apartment touring more because we are, you know, we need to move soon. So look out for more videos like this. If you guys do like videos like this, please do comment down below so I can give you what you want, okay? But yeah, you guys, not super sold on those apartments, those luxury apartments. They were nice and I love the amenities, but not super sold on it. But yeah, the boys are in the room sleeping, you guys, so I'm not cooking. I'm gonna just like heat up some leftovers from yesterday and I'm gonna edit this video. But yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video and supporting me. Pregnant mama is hungry, so I'm gonna heat up some food and, you know, edit this video, get this video out for y'all and call it a night. But thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you know every time I post a new video. And I'll catch y'all in the next video. Bye.